For some 3D printed applications, sealed and washable surfaces are a must. That's why we've developed the Powerfuse S, the green and industrial vapor polishing system. Two things have been especially important for us. First, we wanted to have a sustainable solution, and we achieved this as we became part of the European Union's Green Deal with our system. Second, it had to be ready for the factory of the future, and through its automation and digitalization, it is. So let's have a look at how the Powerfuse S works and how it turns 3D printed parts into real products. The system offers fully automatic loading, connectivity, and batch tracking features. The loading rack for the parts is made of stainless steel with non-stick coating. Thanks to the modular system, you can adjust the standard kit just as you need it, with individual elements for medium and large parts. With an optimized rack, you should fit, for example, 20 soles or 100 eyewear frames. This depends on the actual size and geometry, of course. Since the part surface temporarily softens during an iterative process, the parts must not touch each other and therefore have to be suspended in the loading rack. Validated and specially developed programs for all common materials are available and ready to use. We've developed 3 levels of smoothing: light, balanced and strong, to be able to adapt all process parameters individually for your application. This ensures flexibility and a seamless integration with existing production processes, such as the Dyemansion print-to-product workflow. The entire chamber is flooded with vapor while undergoing vacuum. This allows reproducible processing of complex geometries and internal surfaces. The Vaporfuse EcoFluid is non-CMR and approved for the processing of plastics with food contact. The solvent is circulated continuously in a closed loop and automatically recovered by the system. This enables a sustainable, contact-free process without chemical waste. Vaporfuse surfacing delivers sealed and washable parts with injection molded-like surfaces. VFS works for all common plastics, and particularly for flexible materials, such as TPU, for which mechanical techniques are not suitable.